Hey everyone, welcome back. This video is in continuation with the open source repository management playlist. I have been continuing. If you are new to this channel, I am Kailya Koparkar. I make content around open source, DevRel, and cloud native ecosystem. So let's get started. In this video, we are going to see about pull requests. You might be already familiar with pull request and how that works, but today I'm going to tell you about pull request from project management perspective and how you can implement those in order to make your project more manageable and represent your project. So when you are submitting your project to any company and thing, there is one part that they check about your code, but most probably they also see about how you are managing your project and do you have any vision about being a maintainer and working as a maintainer, because obviously if you are working in a company, you will be doing the same tasks as you will be doing on your personal project. So it's really essential and good for you to show that you are able to manage the projects through your open source contributions and open source repositories. And pull request plays a major role while showing and demonstrating that. So let's go ahead and see what you can do with pull requests. So we are back again to the same repository. Then let's go ahead on pull request. Again, there are templates for pull requests. So for this, there is no pull request. So yeah, for this it's there. So if we go to pull request template, here you can see it's like again case sensitive, so make sure you add everything same. Again, similar to the issue templates, you can copy paste someone else pull request template to your, and it should do just fine. Why is it important? That because as a maintainer, you are trying to maintain uniformity, and while throughout this series I am continuously telling you that even if you are the only one working on your project, and even if it's like really small project, do make sure you add all these things. You never know how someone may land on your project and might get impressed by your just the little extra efforts that you have put into making it more accessible and making it more manageable. And you might get multiple opportunity because you are being a credible person who knows how to do management and a maintainer level work on like a personal project as well, and it really portrays your skills in GitHub management. So if you go ahead, this is the basic checklist that I follow, that my code follows the code style, simple things that will give me some extra context before reviewing the PR, and you can understand what that means, right? So if I get like this PR fixes or the PR, the closes hashtag, then this it would be really helpful if people provide closes hashtag, so it really automatically links the issue, and whenever your pull request is merged, the issue also gets closed automatically, which is really helpful if you are maintaining a big project, right? So then changes purpose proposed, so they can tell whatever changes they are doing, and they can put all the like check marks wherever necessary and screenshots of the thing, so I get all the information I need before reviewing the PR. Then I can review the PR, and the communication from both end gets really easy, and that's what is the benefit for working with the templates in both issues and pull requests. So for pull requests, it's really easy. You can just create this, and let's go ahead. I cannot technically create a PR just like that here, but I hope we can quickly see something. Let's see if we can okay. Okay, see, now that I have like tried to create a pull request. See here, the templates gets added, and now I can just go ahead and implement that or and use that, and it's done, right? So that is one thing about pull request templates. Let's go ahead and see what is the different thing that you can do. So if you go to closed, like obviously your will be open, but if you just go to close, you can actually add labels as well to your pull request. Why is it necessary? Because then it helps you with the project boards. I will be you telling you this uh, like in the next video, which is about GitHub project boards, but it really helps you in managing. So two things you might be seeing similar in issue and pull request is the templates and the labels. So I usually, and like I most probably do this, that I add labels to the issues and pull requests, that at least these, say suppose your pull request is just created, it will have a maybe a label that a new pull request, something like that. If it is being reviewed, then it will have a tag, say suppose reviewed, or under inspection, something like that. And once it's merged, then maybe the label will get done, merged, or a version number that the pull request got merged to. Say, see how easy that gets if someone just goes to your close pull request, and they can actually see that your pull request was closed, and you have added a version tag to the pull request, so you can easily see and check what pull request was merged to which version, and helps you in managing. So I'm not here to teach you how to use GitHub, but how to implement the managing or management features given by GitHub for your own advantage, and become a bit more into uh, systematic and professional open source management. And you can there are actually roles for open source engineer and stuff, and where you are consistently working with open source, and not even if not open source, if you are working in an organization, there will be some sort of platform where you will be interacting with. And as an co-engineer, if someone sees you practicing these good things, then your chances of getting and standing out are very high. So that is the benefit of using tags here. And then of course you can like whenever someone creates issue, assign them, then create milestone. This comes under project board, so I will show you there. But you can actually assign them, then add it to projects and stuff. We will see projects and milestone in the next video. You can add labels, mark as and stuff. You can use all these small features that are being provided by GitHub, and make it more manageable. And from manager point of view, or a senior engineer, if they are seeing if say suppose for imagination, just think if someone comes to your profile, if you have submitted a CV, and they come to your GitHub profile and a GitHub project, and they are seeing such minute work and detail you have done, how much impression does that create? Apart from the code you have written, before even seeing the code, they might see a lot of things, because of course if you have added code and added to CV, most probably 99% the code is working. So the most interest is in different things, that how minute details and how well you have utilized the platform. So hopefully you are able to now use pull request to its best, and try to implement my ideas about pull request tagging and using small features about pull request in your project. If you need any help or face any issue, join the community and ask the question. The link will be in the description. And that's it for this video. Hope you really liked it. If you liked it, make sure you like the video. If you want, you can subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the channel. And we will see you in the next one with the really amazing topic for project boards and really cool stuff you can do with project boards. So see you in the next one. Bye.